Hey folks, Brian with Low Cost Adventures here, and we're going to start out with lump charcoal. Then we're going to go to charcoal's ready. Next, the chicken thighs and the pork tenderloin. And got some poblano peppers right there. Next, we're going to put the corn in the husk, and that's been soaking all day. There's the flip. Well folks, that's a wrap. Gonna let the chicken go a little bit longer, but supper is almost ready. I can't wait to tear into them chilies. Come on, let's go cook something else. Hey folks, the pork tenderloin is done. The chicken is almost done. The peppers are done. I hope this makes your tongue slap your brains out. Come on, let's go cook something else.